Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today I wanted to take you on a little tour of our garden real quick, but also want to show you what we're going to do. We are transforming from one crop to another crop, okay? If you'll take a look back here, bring the camera back here. This is where we did have our green beans at earlier this year, and they done very well. We probably blanched and froze probably over 30 quarts of green beans, okay, out of this little area right here. We had some blue lake bush beans and we had some big kahuna bush beans. And what we're doing now is we're taking the tiller, and I've already mowed this down. Notice there was a lot of grass and stuff got in here, you know, toward the end. I wasn't doing too good a job of weeding. And we got some neighbors over here having some fun. They're out by the swimming pool. I wish I had a swimming pool right about now. But anyway, we're going to till all this up and finish tilling underneath all this grass here. And then we have went to the sand and gravel place today, and we'll show you this here in just a little bit. And we got 1.5 yards of compost, okay? And compost consists of some cow manure, it has some broken down wood mulch, it has some sand mixed into it, and I can't remember what all the guy told me, but anyway, it's gonna be good for the garden. We're gonna go ahead and plow that under in this here today, and in a few days we're gonna go ahead and plant our next crop, which is gonna be some sweet potatoes. So stay tuned, and you can watch me get this tilled up. Okay folks, after about 45 minutes to an hour of tilling through this dirt here, I finally got it broke up pretty good. It is awfully hard and awfully dry here in mid-July. And so I got it busted up pretty good. I'm gonna take you on out now to the trailer where we have our compost, and we'll unbox that for you, and we'll show you how we're gonna shovel it and bring it on back here. Okay folks, hey, we're out here by the trailer, and we're going to go ahead and, like I promised you, we're going to unbox this. We had a piece of plastic folded around this stuff just so it wouldn't blow off the trailer as we were coming back from the sand and gravel place. Woo, what's that smell? I'll tell you what that smell is, friends and neighbors. That's some cow manure right there. Alright, let's get it on for here. Let me finish unboxing it, and then we will start shoveling it. Stay tuned. Okay guys, time to start shoveling and moving this stuff. I don't know exactly what's going to work best. I got a flat shovel here. That works pretty good. Let's see how my pitchfork works. Might be easier to move with a pitchfork. Oh yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I like better. It's falling out of it. See there? It's falling out of the pitchfork. Pitchfork worked better when we got mulch last time. I believe the shovel is going to work better for this stuff here. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this whole trailer load of stuff out there to the garden, one wheelbarrow load at a time. We're going to get our work out today, friends. Alright guys, hey, as you can see, the pile of stuff here is getting smaller. I'm going to keep on shoveling. We're going to go ahead and keep filling up this wheelbarrow load. And I was thinking about, actually, if I get it light enough, I might unhook it and actually push the whole trailer back into the backyard, but I don't even think it's worth doing that. We're fine just shoveling along here. We might actually get down to the point, though, where we have a little bit left on the plastic, and we might just pull it overboard and drag it out there the rest of the way once we get down to almost nothing. Guys, I'm gonna keep on shoveling. We'll take you on out there, let you see what it's looking like so far, and we'll keep on working away. All right, guys, hey, as you can see, we're just kind of like dumping it, sort of dumping it, and spreading it out the best we can as far as just dumping it with the wheelbarrow. We're gonna keep on doing that. Then we'll rake it out here in a little bit, and then we'll run the tiller back through it. All right, folks, we're back out here now. All of our compost has been installed back here on the back part of the garden. Just take a look around there. We kind of evenly spread it out. Now we got our hard rake here, and we're gonna flip her upside down, and we're gonna just start moving this stuff around to get it somewhat spread out a little bit better, and then we'll start tilling it up again. So let's get going. Okay friends, we got it all raked out pretty good now. Bring the camera around here so the good folks can see it. That's looking pretty good. We're gonna go over and get the tiller. We're gonna fire it up again and run it through there a time or two and just kind of blend this stuff on in the dirt. And but right here I want to show you something. Look here at my okra growing here. Bring the camera down here. Today it actually had gotten a lot of grass growing up in. I spent about 30 minutes weeding this stuff out, pulling up grass by hand and everything. And that should help it, because I think it's kind of getting choked out. But we got a row of okra growing back here. We've already been getting some off of it. We got a row right over yonder on the edge there. And that's going to be our big producer here probably for the next month or so, that and tomatoes. And I just wanted to mention that to you right quick. As you can see, there's some little pod. Here's a little pod right here. And I thought I saw, here's one we might even pick today, because we've already picked a mess. We might fry up some tonight. So let me go grab this tiller and let's get this thing going. Okay friends, hey, this just about wraps up today's video on how we are preparing our garden for our next crop that we're getting ready to plant. Like I said before, we had green beans planted out here at the back of the garden, had a very good productive year of those, and now we are going to be planting sweet potatoes. Okay, now before we do that, I'm going to let this ground sit here for probably a week or so to let it go through a little heat process so some of that grass and stuff can go ahead and start decaying. And then we will get out here and create us a couple rows of sweet potatoes. Okay, we've got some slips already. We're going to be putting them maybe in a little bit more potting soil, trying to keep them from growing together. We're going to separate them a little bit, so hopefully we can save those for like at least another week or so before we get them in the ground. So friends, thank you for stopping by today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend about us, and we will see you next time. Take care.